Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build a landing page or website, definitely this video can be handy for you, because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need about the platform that will let you make your own website or landing page using the templates with a drag and drop editor, and everything is simple and easy. There are 38 categories of business that you can switch between them, and 350 plus designs, and in fact it's more than 500 templates that you can use to build everything up really fast. Before I've started to show you everything, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access using that link. So we'll be on the we are all be on the same page, and you can follow the steps that I will show. Of course, I don't want to make this video like 1 hour long, because editor is absolutely simple and easy, and you will figure it out really fast. And in the end of the story, you'll get an idea that you can build it up by yourself. You don't need to hire the experts or web designer to build up your own landing page or website. Let's jump in. I'm not going to waste your time. I want to make this video as short as possible with the maximum value. So jump in. That's how dashboard looks, and you need to press create a new site. There's a couple tools there, but it's not important for the moment. And those are the templates actually, and you can sort it by all, best, new, one page, or general. And you see there's impressive list of categories that you can work on, and you can find the correct template specially built for your type of business, tested and combined to be as efficient as possible. We're gonna grab literally any template, because editor is the same, and when you will get an idea of how to manage things inside the platform, you'll be able to build small site, big site. It doesn't matter, on one page or separate pages, and everything is available here. Not now. Okay. You have 4 buttons. Adaptive site version, and you can be sure that everything will be displayed in the proper way on each type of device, mobile, tablet, or desktop. And you can switch between those to check how everything is displayed. Design. Colors. There's a color scheme. You can create your custom color scheme to change elements on your page, and it can be done on some of templates. There are pre-built color schemes, and you can easily switch between those. Fonts, also you can switch between the fonts in one click, and all of your text, each piece of the text will be changed instantly from this spot. Header and footer, it can be switched on or switched off, like as you want. Advanced features, make sure that animations for widgets enabled, and we going forward. Site pages. This is one pager, the simple layout, and this is really one page. If you want to add some pages, and if you want to build like wide structured website, you can add some pages here. 404 privacy policy and user agreement here, and pop-up windows also can be managed here, and you can add window from this spot, or you can add window from a builder. So let's go to the builder, and you'll understand that everything built with the blocks. You see, block 1, block 2, block 3, long 1, block 4, and so on. Yeah, and you can add those blocks. You can move them around, just grabbing on this spot, and you can put it after this block, for example. Yeah, you can delete the blocks that you don't want. You can delete the blocks that you don't want. You can duplicate the block, and you have a couple more actions like pin this to anchor link, multi-page block, and add a favorite and hide on desktop. Yeah. So everything is built with blocks. On each block, when you're hovering over the surface, you see the elements, you see the widgets. Those are button and text, and it should be space some here. Yeah, somewhere here. All the changes that's happening with the blocks can be done with formatting and structure. let's go to structure, and you'll see the container and with padding for widgets, or fluid and without padding, by screen size, by content, and content alignment in the center, cards alignment, and so on. So we go in back and we go into formatting. You see the background picture. Let's find out which kind of picture. The themed picture, the library is absolutely big, and you can use all those pictures to switch between your style just instantly and for free. You just need to find the correct picture that will describe this type of business that you found. And there's a lot of pictures, but doesn't matter. Just will I don't know, just to show you that you can switch it. Let's use this one. Okay, it's some kind of this factory. Yeah, there are cool pictures. Yeah, factory. Now the color is the text is unreadable, so we gonna apply the color overlay, and we change the opacity, and the picture is there, and text is pretty readable. You can use couple effects, fix when scrolling, see, or the parallax effect, and it will scroll like with a parallax. I love the fix when scrolling. This is a cool feature that looks modern, and that is realized great. So blocks, let's go to the blocks and let's add some container here. Just drag and drop in it. Okay, now drag widgets from the left panel onto the page. Let's go to widgets. Those are basic widgets: text, image, slider, gallery, fixed menu, button, and icon. Space and separator gives a structure to your page, and I'll show you how to manage with all that. Also content, card, pro table, steps, price list, timer, Google search, and a lot of other different things like media file, video, SoundCloud, and SlideShare. Video, I want to show the video. I'm dropping it here. I want to say a couple words about this video. I'm dropping the text, and you see this blue line shows where exactly the element will be dropped. So I'm dropping it on the left hand. By clicking on the text, you can change the shape of this text. You can change the style. Maybe it's going to be important, or paragraph, or normal text. Like, let it be the heading 4. And let's discover this cool feature. You see this divider line. We have 2 columns here. This blue vertical line can be dragged to this spot, and the objects are reshaping by itself. You don't need to customize each piece of the element. We want to add some button here, like order now. Yeah, you see the button is sticked to the text, so we grab a structure element like space and put in it here. Also, we go into format some, and let's change this background color to black, and now the text became white by itself. It's cool. You don't need to change the color of the text. Also, what can be done with a block itself? It can be color, image, map, or video for the whole block. Right? Now we have no free space between the borders of this section and previous and the next one. So we grab a space and put in it to the specific spot, and you see you can put this to just specific area under the text, or you can put it on both of these columns. The same thing with this element on the bottom. That's it. You have a block that is ready to go. Actually, if you want to add some extra stuff, you can put it, and it's reshaped by itself. You can delete the elements as you want, and objects are reshaping by itself. And this is a cool story, really. So everything can be changed in the way that I showed you, but the main thing that I want to share and I want to show you is that you need to connect all buttons, because the purpose of any landing page or website is actually to get contact information from your client, isn't it? And that's how you're gonna do that, via button and forms. So you need to switch on the button. You can switch between the styles with this drop little button, like background colors, text, padding, rounded corners, shadow, and animation. But the most important part is this chain. What's gonna happen? What is the click-through event? What's gonna happen when somebody will press that button? It's gonna be the web address, page, anchor. In most cases, you're gonna use the pop-up window, phone, email, or no link. So you need to make sure that your each button on your website linked to some option. In most cases, it's going to be the pop-up. So I showed you that you can create the pop-up from the web pages spot, or you can create a pop-up window straight from here. You can edit this with this pencil button, and you see new window, email, large field, and we go into form. Email and large field. We don't know the name of the person. Let's add some name, put it on the top. We can switch off the large field. We can add a phone number, and we can set it as optional. Okay, that's pretty easy. Do not use more than 3 fields. Name, email, and phone number. It's enough. Because people are lazy and they don't want to complete the form that is too long. That's why you need to make sure that you get in just information that you need, not extra. Okay. The message displayed after sending, your order has been submitted. Thank you. And you can edit this text. So what's going to happen when somebody will really complete the form and press the send button? Where it's going to be sent to? It's going to be sent to your email, additional email if you have external email for the project itself, or you can choose actually, or you can connect the CRM systems between two of them, Ammo or Board CRM, and those are incredible tools to manage all your clients in one spot, in one tool, and you can send everything to those people who are in your email list. So and you can check all the steps. You can connect your sales team to that tools. So if you want to get a lot of notifications, a lot of leads, and you're running ad campaigns, effective ad campaigns, and they bring you new visitors, and those visitors completing the forms, and you getting a lot of information, make sure that you connect in one of 2 CRMs, because it's going to be easier to manage all your clients in one spot. That's pretty it, guys. I showed you everything, and now I hope you know that everything can be reshaped, anything can be moved to some spot, all the pictures can be like changed to your own pictures. I showed you that you can use this effects for the pages, for the separate blocks. See none, maybe, or fix when scrolling. I showed you all, and now you know that it can be done literally under 30 minutes. Of course, you need to type your own text. You need to type your own like things. You need to bring your offer to the market. It need to be unique in some way. But the most important part is actually to get new clients to your business. Yeah, and that how landing page or website can help you with that. And it can be done under 1 hour. I'm sure about that, and I suggest you to try it by yourself. So use the link in the description panel of this video to find the correct link that will bring you to the platform, and you'll try it by yourself. Of course, you have a free trial version. Of course, you can build everything up and pay after that. And pricing is absolutely affordable for anyone who want to start and launch his own business. So be our guest, use our link. I wish you good luck in your website building experience, because this experience will be impressive, really. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed and hope this was really useful. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.